Alright, today I have a quick video on the driver's corner about what I did to my 1997 Corvette to bring it up to modern standardization as far as the stereo goes. So I did this on a budget. I'm not a big stereo guy. I haven't really been into that since high school, so all I wanted to do is be able to attach my phone to the stock radio while driving. So this particular model, this 97, has the AC Delco with the Bose speakers, sweet tape deck. I initially started by trying to use one of those tape deck adapters, but it did not work. I don't know if the tape deck was too far gone or what. So I started digging around and I found a video by a dude named YellowVet04, I believe, and he had suggested using a adapter to break the signal between the disc changer and the harness. So I took his advice. I went out and I bought a harness. I'm not going to link it here or anything because I am not that guy. I don't have sponsorship, whatever, but you can do a small amount of Googling and you can find them. They're from a couple different places, but this one was specifically meant for the 97 through 04 Corvette with the rear disc changer. You have to have the disc changer. Comes with a 12-foot cable. It was $66 shipped. And what I ended up doing, now pardon the mess, but I just got done with this install. I have to vacuum the car out. But what I ended up doing was I decided to run it into the center console here. I drilled a little hole in my console, put the aux jack right there, and then this little gem right here, this 12-volt source, was perfect to connect one of these cheapo Bluetooth adapters that you can get at pretty much anywhere for about $10. So that's what I did, and now I've got tunes off my phone. So it was a really simple install. Of course, you had to take all this apart, and while I was at it, I went ahead and added my C6 Z06 shifter, because you had to take I had to take the console apart to do the install nicely. And so now I have Bluetooth radio in my car, or Bluetooth speaker. So super pumped about that. Every little thing makes this thing just that much better. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I will try to get some more videos up as I do some more things. I'm waiting on a couple other bits and pieces, like my new shift knob for that Z06 shifter. And I can't remember, I ordered a bunch of other stuff too. So hopefully I'll have some more videos up of the progress on this 186,000 mile Corvette. So thanks for tuning in. If you like my videos, or if you're interested in what I might do to the car or what I've got coming up, just hit the subscribe button down below or give me a like. If you have any questions, shoot me a message. I will answer you back, I promise. So, all right, have a great day. Bye.